In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get qualified for PenFed loan. We'll walk through the official loan qualification guide and make sure you know exactly what to look for so you can feel confident before you apply. Start by heading to the PenFed loan qualification guide. This is the hub where PenFed explains who typically qualifies and how the process works. Think of it as your roadmap. Take a moment to scan the page layout so you know where to find requirements, credit details, and next steps. Next, open the section labeled Eligibility Requirements. Here, PenFed outlines the core factors they consider. You'll usually see items like membership status, income and employment, your debt-to-income ratio, and general credit worthiness. Use this section to self-check. Does your income comfortably cover current obligations and the new payment? Are you meeting basic membership and residency criteria? Understanding these basics upfront saves time and helps you set realistic expectations. Now click into the credit score information. PenFed typically looks for a minimum score of 580. Meeting the minimum can make you eligible, but higher scores often unlock better rates and terms. Remember, your score is influenced by payment history, credit utilization, length of credit, and recent inquiries. If you're close to a rate tier cutoff, even a small improvement can make a noticeable difference in your offer. Head over to the application process section. This part shows you the flow from initial check to funding. You'll see what information is usually requested, such as your basic personal details and income. Review this so you're not surprised by any prompts. Knowing the sequence makes the experience smoother and faster. When you're ready, select Check Your Rate. This uses a soft credit inquiry, so it won't affect your credit score. It's a safe way to preview potential terms based on your profile. If you decide to move forward with a full application later, that's when a hard inquiry may be performed. Compare what you see, the estimated APR, the monthly payment, and any fees. Make sure the payment fits comfortably inside your budget. Open the tips to improve your chances section next. Here you'll find practical guidance like lowering credit card balances to reduce utilization, holding off on new credit until your loan is finalized, and keeping accounts in good standing. Small tweaks here can add up to better offers. Finally, review your credit report for accuracy. Look for outdated balances, duplicate accounts, or late payments that don't belong to you. If you spot errors, dispute them with the credit bureaus and allow time for updates to reflect. Follow these steps on the PenFed guide and you'll be set up for a smarter, more confident application.